And I'm going to show you how to implement a GIF file into whatever backdrop or image that you want to use using Jasc Animation Shop. So the first thing I'm going to do is just create a new image, and because I don't need to bring anything in, I'm just going to demonstrate how you can do it. So I'm just going to click OK, and then I'm going to open the animation file that I want, which is the blink stars, and then I'm just going to check and see how many frames I need. So there's 8 in the falling stars. So I need to go back to the original image, and then I need to make sure that I have 8 frames. So when I successfully put the animation frames into each one, it doesn't go haywire and there's no blinking or anything like that. And if there is, you can always, take the little line or thing or whatever and go through and see where there's a problem. Like on this one, you can run the line around and go back to your frames or whatever. So you can just see if there's a mistake, then you can delete it or fix it and do what you need to do. So I'm just going to Control A, which is select all, and then Control C, copy, and then Control Shift L, which is going to be paste after current frame. And I'm just going to repeat the process until I have the actual amount of frames that I need. Okay, so I should have 8 right about now. Alrighty, I do. Okay, so they're already selected because I do Control A. So I'm gonna go back now to the animation, and then I'm going to select all, and I'm going to copy, and then I'm gonna go back to my file, and since they're already selected, I'm going to do Control E, which is pasting the animation into the selected frames. And as you can see, I can just move my cursor around and I can see where the animation is. And then wherever I want the animation, I can just drop it, and there it's going to show up in all the frames. See? If you want, you can just repeat the process. So I can just Control E again, and there I have 2 of them. And it'll still show up, and you can still see, the different fallings of the frames. You can do this with whatever animation file you want. It's the same process. If you're going to overlap, that's a different story. You're just going to need to make sure that you have the same amount of frames. If you're not overlapping in animation, then you just need the amount of frames for whatever animation it is you're doing. If you're going to transition, that's a whole different kind of thing. It's just different frames for different kind of things in the animation. But other than that, that's all you really do. You can click on the running to see how it goes, and as you can tell, it's smooth and it does exactly what I want it to do, and it's on the backdrop. So now I just need to go to Save As, and there you have it. I'm done. Something else that I need to do. So I hope this helped.